Role play 23. Discussion in the embassy for visa.
Rahul wants to go to America. He wants to buy a visa, so he goes to the embassy. He leaves the house as follows.
Daddy, I am going to the embassy. I will come back soon.
Okay, son, please drive carefully and do not be in a hurry, okay?
Sure, Daddy, inshallah.
Rahul reaches the embassy and talks with the worker as follows.
Hello, sir.
Hello? What do you want?
I want a visa.
What kind of visa do you want?
Visit visa.
Is your passport ready?
Yes, sir. My passport is ready.
Show me your passport.
Here is my passport.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to the USA.
Okay, now I will ask you for some information. Please cooperate with me.
Sure, sir.
For how many days will you stay in the USA?
Only for 5 months.
With what purpose are you going there?
I want to go there for tourism.
Oh, you want to go for a picnic.
Yes, sir?
Are you alone, or is there anyone else with you?
No, I am not alone. My wife will be with me as well.
Did you book the ticket?
Yes, sir, we have booked the ticket.
Show the tickets.
I'm sorry, sir. I actually forgot to bring my ticket with me.
You will have a picture of it, just show it.
Oh, yes, I have a picture of it on WhatsApp. Here it is.
Well, now you fill out this form.
Okay, sir.
Did you fill out the form?
Just 1 second, sir. 1 second. Here you go.
Yes, now you must pay the visa fee, otherwise it may be delayed.
How much should I pay, sir?
1,200 USD for one visa.
OMG, it is so costly.
No. This is the common rate for USA visas nowadays.
Okay, no problem. Start the work and here is the payment.
Yes, of course.
Sir, I wanted to ask you one thing. When can I get this visa?
Don't worry. Your visa will be ready within a week.
Is it not possible to get it just after 3 days?
I can't say anything right now, but I will try and do one thing. Write down my contact number and contact me after 3 days.
Okay, sir. I will write down your contact. No. Inshallah, I will call you after 3 days.
Okay. Now you can go.
Okay, sir. See you then.
Sure.